So there's a few different count functions available to us in Microsoft Excel. So count counts the number of cells that have numbers inside of them. In this case, it's 11. If I look in the quantity column, I have 11 cells with numbers. Now count A counts cells with numbers or text. So I should see 12 in this case because I'm counting unknown as well. Count blank, you can probably guess it, counts the number of blank cells in a given range. We should see 2 here. And COUNTIF and COUNTIFS count based on conditions. So with COUNTIF, let's say maybe we're going to look at the product column and then find or count the number of times that basketball occurs. 4 in this case. So I see 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 there. 4 cells with basketball inside of them. Now COUNTIF is a little different. It's not counting the number of cells, but the number of times that multiple conditions are met. And so let's use COUNTIFs. And maybe I want to look for the first condition being where in the product column we see basketball. And then in the quantity column where we see 24. Both of those conditions in the same row have to be met. And so let's try this out. It looks like it's 2. So I see it here, basketball and 24, and I see it here. So again, it's not counting cells. If so, it would give us 4 in this case. It's counting 2 because that's the number of times that both of these conditions are met. Thanks for watching. Now, if you want the link to the sample file used in this video, it's down in the description, as well as a link to an Excel course if you're interested.